Melina, why you snore so loud? Yeah, you snore really loud. She's like, what, Mom? I didn't do nothing. I wasn't sleeping. I didn't do it. Mom, I didn't do it. Right, Melina? Melina, why are you snoring so loud? You snore loud like a freight train. Like a freight train? A freight train? Mom, what are you talking about, Mom? Are you loud? Do you snore loud? Yeah, you're a loud snorer.